Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and then in this video I'll be showing you how to design the outline text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my model's image here, and what I'll do first is to duplicate my model's image. So I'll press Command J if you're on Mac, and then if you're on PC it's Control J. Now I've duplicated my model's image. So the next thing that I have to do is to make a selection of my model and then cut her out of my background. So to do that, I'll right click here and select the object selection tool. With my object selection tool active, I'll gently draw around the model. It doesn't have to be a perfect selection though. You just draw around the model like this. Now let's wait for Photoshop to make the selection for us. Nice. So now our selection is active. As you can see, the selection isn't that perfect, but then with this tutorial wouldn't cause any problem. So with my selection done, I'll just select the layer mask over here, and when I turn off the background image, you'll see that I have a cutout of my model's image over here. So I'll turn back on my background image. Nice. Once I'm done, the next thing to do is to add our text. So I'll select the type tool and then type out my words. I'll be going with swag. Yes, and then the font that I'm using is called Anthem regular. So I'll change its size to let's go with 306, and let's place it at the center. Nice. Now I'll just drag it down a little bit. So I think something like this is okay for me. So what I'll do is I'll press Ctrl or Command J, duplicate my text once again. Then I'll drag one of my text beneath my model's layer. It's like this is the text on top of my model. And as we can all see, this particular text, swag text, is covering the face of my model. So what I'll do is I reduce its fill to 0%. Now you can see that there is no swag text covering my model's face, but then it's still active over there. So now let's add some strokes. So to add a stroke, go to FX, then select stroke. Over here, let's set the stroke color to a white color, and the color code for white is FF. So like 6 Fs. Then with the size, let's go with the stroke size of 2. Yeah, so with the position tool, let's select outside position. I think, yeah, that's okay. Then just click on OK. Now let me select my 2 text layers and then push them down a little bit. I think something like this is okay for me. Yeah. So now we can read the swag text over here. Okay, so with these 2 text layers selected, what I'll do is I'll right click and then I'll select link layers. So once I select the link layer, it has linked these 2 texts, the stroke one and then the actual text with the fill set to 100%. So now whenever you move, let's say if I select this one, then whenever I move, it moves the second one along. You see that Now, any place that you put your swag text, the effect will still be visible. But then I'll just place mine here. Yeah, so I think, yeah, we are done. We are done. Okay, so guys, this is how to easily create an outline text effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, and also share with others. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. See you in the next video.